Oh my God, we're here! Wow, great! Hi guys, so on the way to Puerto Galera, we just arrived at Batangas Port for 1.5 or 1 to 2 hours of traveling. Diba? With Princess! Hi Princess! And Kuya Pao.
So guys, dito na kami.
And the newlyweds. Yan, going to Puerto Galera.
Pinagpapawisan pa.
So magkasalta na tayo this vlog.
Laging hi guys.
Hello guys.
Opening.
Lagi lang opening.
What's up, what's up? So ayan, pupunta namin Batangas Port. Inulit ko na. Kami guys, naiwan sila mama dahil kasama si Princess. First day in Puerto with the couples. I'm the third wheel. Pagod na yung jowa ko.
Yan.
Ang init sa batok guys. At walang tao. Look, walang
Pero
tao.
last time kasi nilakad namin from end to end.
Hi guys.
Hindi na natapos.
And, ano din na natin? Day 2. And activities, snorkeling, underwater cave, and then ATV stuff. And so, ayan, andun kami sa bangka. Ayan yung mga bangka natin guys.
Dalawa.
Hi guys. Dito na kami guys. Guys, we're going up sa cave. Ayan. So, hang on. Nagbibiruan tayo. What's up guys? So, tapos na kami sa paintball ni Rona. Anong masasabi mo?
Sakit.
Sakit na. So, we're going now to our last activity. And okay, tama siya. Oh! So, we're going to last activity. Mud bike. Mud bike po. Pink ka ba?
Round 2. Fight!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Outfit check. Outfit check. Ayan guys, outfit check. Ayan, kikita niyo yan. Outfit check. Dapat swimming pool nilagay nila, hindi putek. Amoy kalabaw. Tapos na pong wildcard. At sarap maligo sa dagat. Ayan guys, yung truck namin. Guys, amoy tayo ng kalabaw. Legit yun. Ang baho. Pero solid. Dito sa Extreme Sport Philippines, tayo ng kalabaw ang ilalagay sa mud. Tayo ng kalabaw. Guys, on the way kami to wash ourselves out of humiliation and bad odor. Dead hole lang. Ayan, on the way to shower guys. Dati wala pang shower dito be. Parang host lang kami, di ba?
Wala ka na kumakagat yun.
Improvement na. Wow! May shower na talaga. Guys, shower time. Ang saya ng podcast, no? Ang saya.
Sayang ba? Dapat sumakay ka kay Kuya Pao.
Oo, dapat sumakay ka kay Kuya Pao, no? Baho!
Man down! We gotta make!
Oo, kanina pa yung duran ng duran. Hi guys, so sasakay kami sa UFO. Yan, with GL Paulo again. Nakita nyo na yung montage niyan sa ano. Sa Muddy Kart. So, good luck.
Hala, Stel, ano yan?
Check out this video.
Promise.
Hi guys! Hi guys! guys, so ayan, nakalis namin ng Puerto and here we are, guess where? In Tagaytay. Look at my outfit, beach outfit. Tapos sa Tagaytay kami, so sobrang lamig. It's currently, I think 7 PM or 8 PM. And ayan, we're here in the Napa house. So magko-coffee muna kami. Then we'll get some bulalo, famous bulalo here in Tagaytay. So enjoy this montage here in Tagaytay, guys. Let's go. Diba? Beach attire pero Tagaytay. Let's go. My God, nakikita nyo ba yung hangin? Sobrang lamig. Kita-kits, guys. Peace out. Yan guys, so may ginawa kami dito sa Napa coffee shop and wine ata, I'm not sure. Yeah, so we'll get bulalo na lang after this, pero ayun, nilalamig kami na sobra. Nakapang beach ba, naka-shorts pa kami. Outfit check nilalamig ako. So ayun guys, kita-kits.